In this video, I'll show you how to convert a string to Pascal case in JavaScript. So here we have the output or the result, the function we came up with in the previous video where we were converting a string to camel case. So Pascal case is almost the same as camel case. The difference is in the capitalization of the first letter of the string. So basically, that means that if I give my function, let's say 1, 2, 3 right here, the output should not be 1, 2, 3 like this, but rather it should be pretty much the same except for the first letter, which should be capitalized as well. Okay, so we can pretty much use this existing string to camel to start this implementation. But of course, we're going to have to change it somewhat because, of course, as you saw, the first character is not uppercased. So one way to do this is to take the string that we have. The issue that we have right now is that we are matching for space followed by a dot. And since our string that we just used doesn't have a space before the letter O here in the word one, this is disregarded by the matcher in the replace method call. So how can we solve this? Well, one way to solve it is to basically just do the following. We'll force it to have a space, and then we'll run the string replace on it. And of course, we need to now convert it to string to Pascal. And let's also update the invocation right here. And let's give it a try. And now indeed it works. Of course, there are always many different ways to do the same thing in any programming language, including JavaScript. But here we're getting into understanding string manipulation in general. So I think this is a good approach rather than trying to get, so to say, some advanced implementation using regular expressions and pattern matching. Okay, so that's it for this video in which I've showed you how to convert a string to Pascal case in JavaScript.